Binance has unveiled its anticipated Binance Inscriptions marketplace on Bitcoin blockchain. The crypto exchange company announced Thursday that the platform will allow users to buy, sell, and mint inscription tokens using the self-custody Binance Web3 wallet within the Binance app. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. Starting off with, Tether is injecting billions into the market. This is the super bullish for Bitcoin right there. And looking into the chart, we could see how the price of the Bitcoin continues to slowly drop when the price of, not the price, but the market cap of the USDT continuously grows. That means that more money comes into the market and it prepares to be all in, go all into the Bitcoin. Next up, what do we have here? Stars are aligned for the biggest Bitcoin bull run to date. Rate cuts coming, presidential election, the less trust in the USD, 76 days to halving, strong hands to the all-time high, geopolitically unstable world, institutional adoption because of ETF, and fair accounting. The scenario of Bitcoin going to zero does not exist anymore. Bitcoin is playing much the same role as gold did in the early days of banking. Also, uncomfortable truth, the ETF massively scaled Bitcoin as a savings technology by several orders of magnitude. With the ETF, it is relatively trivial for more than 1 billion people to DCA, say 10% of their income into Bitcoin as long-term savings. This is impossible to do on-chain in sovereign manner, where each person would be able to settle a single on-chain transaction approximately once every 4 years. This is what you should understand. This is just the start, and the start of the Bitcoin, when everyone will be hunting for it, won't be too far, because it's gonna be right here, right now, pretty soon. You should expect that. On the breaking news that Argentinian government removes tax on Bitcoin as the next huge step for crypto world starts pretty soon. Just in, the Biden administration has issued an emergency data collection initiative to identify the electricity usage of the Bitcoin mining industry in America. Miners who do not comply are threatened with fines of up to $10,633 for each day they do not respond. Failure to respond may result in a civil penalty of not more than $10,000 each day for each violation. The government may bring a civil action to prohibit reporting violations, which may result in a temporary restraining order or a preliminary or permanent injunction without a bond. That's crazy how they trying to take everything from the miners. As a just a start, they will attack Bitcoin more and more because they understand that they can't already fight it. So they will try the best they can to defeat it, but they will not succeed. Blow off top update. Since October, I was expecting Bitcoin to move up more aggressive than before, as Fed rates remain elevated. Remember, higher rates means market going higher, everyone calling for top right now, but this is not how tops develop. And as the market is pricing in rate cuts, which they think it's bullish, it's not. The ball of worry starts producing a blow off top and a proper top formation. So when rate cuts start, euphoria is in, extreme greed, extreme volatility, which we do not have now, and everyone not calling for tops anymore, but for soft landing and the passing of the halving, which is always bullish, right? Remember, rate cuts means economy is weak, and a parabolic advance could happen very quick, catch you off the guard, and attract retail very fast. That's when the top is in, as distributions start, as Bitcoin is also seasonally weak through the summer into fall. And also as rate cuts set in, these are two major catalysts for a bigger pullback, as it is actually, we could see on the chart. Parabolic move top right here, then parabolic move top over here, not the parabola that we are looking in, and the top should be over here. So yeah, we might fall before that just to buy even more tokens as we had before over here, and then the move will happen, topping us at 100,000 plus. That's what should we expect, but the comeback price will be at the low price over here. I feel like it's going to be even bigger than that, so we should expect the move to happen earlier than that. Next up, Binance launches inscription marketplace for BRC20 tokens. As digital asset exchange, Binance has launched its inscription marketplace that will allow users to trade and inscribe BRC20 tokens and other related assets. According to February 1 announcement, Binance noted that the marketplace will be a one-stop solution for inscription-based tokens with the key features around accessibility and security. Welcome to Binance Inscriptions Marketplace and your go-to place for all the things BRC20 and inscriptions built into the Binance Web3 wallet. So how does the Binance Inscription Marketplace work? As a platform will be hosted on the Binance Web3 wallet and will see the inscription and trading of BRC20 tokens within the Binance app, it caters to all from BRC20 enthusiasts to those new to Web3, providing a secure and enjoyable experience. The introduction of the inscription marketplace is a welcome development for Binance Web3 wallet, enhancing users' journey through the decentralized web with its array of features. And the new feature boasts three main benefits: seamless transfers, faster transactions, and endless options as the exchange seeks to rival its competitors. Through the release, it has and can inscribe the trade of 60,000 of the most popular BRC20 tokens alongside single-click transfers and faster transaction processing times with its accelerator. BRC20 a game changer for the Bitcoin network. This week, rival crypto exchange OKX announced its integration of inscription token standards, allowing users to transfer, trade, and view related assets. So with this enhancement, OKX Marketplace will be industry's largest inscriptions marketplace, featuring zero-fee trading across an expanding roster of token standards, as OKX Wallet inscription tools currently supports inscription mining on 23 networks, including Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Polygon, BNB Chain, Avalanche, and etc. The rise of inscription and BRC20 token have sparked several debates on their utility on the blockchain, with the support citing an increase in knee fees while some maxis remain in opposition. A recent report by Binance Research arm shows the benefits of inscriptions to the network in 2023 with more signs of growth, as Binance Research is delighted to announce the release of our comprehensive industry year in review report, and we uncover the top crypto industry dynamics of 2023 and discuss key trends as we head further into 2024. While ordinals, inscriptions, and BRC20 standard tokens played a key role in the resurgence of the networks, the three-tiered system created a new era for Bitcoin in 2023, as the analyst stated. The result could be seen in a price uptick spurred by a transaction surge amidst a recovery phase for the last bear market, and Bitcoin market dominance pumped it to the 50% from 40%, while its price grew by 156% across the year, although institutional inflows also contributed to the price action. And the launch of Bitcoin ordinals in February 2023 saw the community minting new tokens, boosting the transaction volume to new highs not recorded in months. The last year, the rollout of millions of inscriptions led to a case of network congestion, clogging the mempool and driving up transactions fees, leading to more community debates. However, miners who were in dire financial positions during the bear market used ordinals as a lifeline to rise above the waters in preparation for the next halving. Also, we could see that while the Fed president painted a negative picture about the interest rate cuts, economists were divided in two. So when will the first interest rate happen? Fed President Jerome Powell made statements after the US Federal Reserve left the policy rate constant at 5.25% to 5.5% yesterday. At this point, Powell pointed out that it was premature for the Fed to start interest rate cuts in March, causing a decline in Bitcoin and altcoins. At this point, Powell's statements divided economists into two regarding interest rate cuts. While some continue to expect a cut in March, while some economists postpone the possibility of a cut to May. Speaking on CNBC at this point, famous investor Jeffrey Gundlach said that the US economic outlook still looked bad and that a recession and higher unemployment rate are likely to occur in 2024. So apart from Gundlach, Bloomberg economists and Goldman Sachs analysts also predicted when the Fed would start cutting interest rates. At this point, while Bloomberg economists continue to think that there will be an interest rate cut in March, despite the Fed Chairman Powell's statements, economists think that the softening in inflation and the weakening in the labor market will provide Fed members with sufficient confidence to cut interest rates in March. So Goldman Sachs economists said that after Powell's negative statements, they postponed their forecast for the Fed's first interest rate cut from March to May, but maintained their forecast for 5 interest rate cuts this year and 3 in 2025. Bank of America analysts also updated the Fed's first interest rate cut forecast and moved it from March to June. That's all the information we have on today's video, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.